So please, good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Good. Well, please, let's begin our lesson. We'll begin our lesson with watching some videos.
Blow dryer and hair straightener made my hair stylish, but at the cost of hair fall.
There was more hair on the floor than dust.
Huh? Then my friend recommended 9 Naturals Hair Fall Defense.
This shampoo contains nourishing natural ingredients and it reduces hair fall to make hair strong and beautiful.
Now no worries of hair fall, only beautiful hair. Thank you, 9.
9 Naturals, nothing heals like nature.
Well, please, answer my question. What is the message of this advert? What is the message?
The message of this advert is a shampoo.
A shampoo. Good. The next video. Answer my question. What is the message of this advert, Almas?
The message of this advert is a school bag. Your opinions about these adverts. What is the first advert like? Is it boring, colorful? So please, Aziza.
The first advert is very interesting and colorful, and it is clever.
It is clever. Good. Well, please, the advert about the backpack. What is the advert about backpack is like? So please, Islam. About the bag.
The backpack is unusual.
Unusual. Good, very nice.
So colorful.
So colorful. Good. The next, please, Asim.
This advert is very amusing and it's very funny, and I think it's very successful.
Successful. Good, very nice. Clap your hands. Look at the board. The theme of our lesson is advertising. So please, I deliver you some pictures. Well, please, take these pictures. Deliver, please. Deliver. This, deliver. Deliver. These pictures also. These pictures also. Listen and show what sort of products could match these descriptions. I'll say you descriptions and you must say, you must show me pictures. Well, please, first, really delicious. The next, stylish and good value. Healthy and natural. Healthy and natural. Good, very nice. So please, cheap but fashionable. Good, very nice. So please, durable and reliable. Durable, you can use it for a long time, and reliable. Look at the board. Write the opinion adjectives on the board. Can you write the opinion adjectives? So we know a lot of opinion adjectives. They can be, first, positive and negative. Can you write this on one star?
Amusing.
What kind of opinion adjective is it?
Positive.
Positive. Good. Powerful. Good. Asim, wait. Then, so please,
Table.
Can you say it loudly? No. Terrible.
Table.
Is it all? So please just count quickly. Right?
Delicious.
Delicious. Shortly. Good. Is it all, Islam? Good. It is the last. It will be our last word. Yes. So please. Then our next part is I deliver you some cards and then look at the board and describe these things. So finished? Who is ready? So please, Almas begin. The first thing.
It's a mobile phone. Mobile phone can be stylish, totally reliable, cool, distinctive, unique, unique and durable.
Durable. The next.
Waterproof.
Yes, waterproof.
And modern.
And then modern. Then
Pizza.
pizza.
Pizza can be absolutely delicious, tasty,
Lovely.
distinctive, unique and good flavor.
Good flavor.
It can be stylish, cool, colorful, durable and distinctive.
When do you describe things? When we advertise something. Yes, in advertisement. What is an advertisement? Well, who wants to say? What is advertisement? Please, Aziza.
Advertisement is how a company encourages people to buy their products.
Your task was to prepare some short adverts. Show me please your advert. Are you ready? Yes. So good. Very brilliant advertisements. Please start.
Hello, today I want to show you a new invention. It's new smartwatch. It's called Helper. If you say why I called it Helper, because it can help you every time. And it has a power for one week, and it has a distinctive system, and I think it's a piece of cake to use. Cost only 150 euro.
Good, very nice. If you like the advertisement, well, please raise the yellow card. If you don't like, if it is a bit boring, well, please show the blue card. Did you like it? Yes, it was good.
Islam's adverts is very interesting and brilliant.
Brilliant. Good, sit down.
Message of my advert is robotics, and I do this robotics myself. Nowadays, the robotic technology is developing to space. Some years ago, we could see them only on TV, and today they can help to life to people. This robot calls Servobot. This bot can throw away things.
Can move, yes?
Yes,
it
can.
can move and carry
things.
Carry
Yes.
things. Good, very nice. Well, please raise your cards. Do you like it or no? Do you like it or no? So please, very nice.
Almas advert is very interesting and useful for people, and it's very interesting nowadays.
Please, Asim, quickly show your advert.
The message of my advert is a new gadget iPad Air. It's very cheap and it has a fantasy value for money. You can listen to music and play a lot of games.
Good, very nice. So put clap and hands. Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yes.
So please, let's listen to the.
Hey Liz, have a look at this. It's an amazing car, isn't it? I'd really love one.
I can't stand advertising. I mean, it's ridiculous. I bet the person who
Yes,
took...
can I say something?
Right?
I agree with you. It's a bit sexist.
A bit sexist. It's awful. Loads of adverts are the same. You know that one on TV for washing powder with the mother and the grandmother?
Yeah, I think it's quite funny, really, because you think it's going to be a typical washing powder ad right until the end. I like humour in adverts.
So do I, but not that one. And it's got a woman doing the washing up at home. I want to know why it's always a woman. The advert obviously is saying that only women should do the housework.
Well, that's...
Personally, I think that the government should do something about these adverts. It's like all those adverts for toys at Christmas. I mean, they're really terrible for kids. They make kids want more and more toys.
Can I interrupt a moment? I agree about those toy adverts. But about the men and women thing, there are other adverts with men doing the housework.
Rubbish. That's not true.
Well, I like adverts where women look attractive. What's wrong with that? There are lots of adverts with good-looking men in.
You're wrong. I'm against all adverts that use sex to get people to buy things. That's just manipulating people in
I'd just like to say that I think it doesn't matter if adverts look good. I mean, some ads are really beautiful and clever, like works of art. You know, like that one for coffee with that woman waking up with the sun coming up over the ocean.
Art? Since when has manipulating people been an art form? Oh, just look at this magazine here.
Doesn't like the car advert at all. Please.
Please. Is it true? Yes. The next, yes.
Thinks the car ad is a bit sexist, or both of them.
Good. The next, Ahmed.
Likes hammer in advertising. It's both.
Fuel. Fuel?
Yes.
Fuel. Good. The next, Aidana.
Thinks the government should control advertising. Please.
Yes.
Good. Almas.
Things that toy adverts are bad for children, both of them.
So please, do you agree with this quotation?
I don't agree because sometimes adverts are not true.
Saying, develop, why are not true? Why are they not true?
Because in the advertisement we show the product is good, because if we show it bad, nobody buys this product.
Good. And then?
They try to get people to buy the advertisement good rather than bad their things or products. And in our opinion, these products can be awful and not brilliant like in the advert.
We go to the stations. Page 47, exercise 4, and exercise 246. 2 exercises. Yes, and Islam, you don't do this exercise. Well, please, your task is this, the situation. So please, exercise 4.
There aren't many adverts on TV these days where someone just comes and says, buy this. It doesn't cost much money. A lot of modern adverts are more like films or music videos, and a few of them are really unusual or artistic. It is amazing advertisers can do with a little imagination, but some adverts are so unusual that you remember the ad but you have no idea what the product is. And I don't think that any advertiser really wants that.
To say about what, if it is, it gives an information, well, please show which card? Card. Blue card. Blue card. If it is a persuasion, yellow card. So please read. Nazim reads loudly. You show your cards. So please begin. Stand up.
You can download web pages.
Information. Next.
Cool grapes and discipline jewelry.
Persuasion. Good. The next.
There is real greatness.
Persuasion. Why blue? Some blue, some Station 2 task. So please you come.
Station 2. Task from students. The situation. You are taken in by the advert and have some shopping problems. Work in pairs.
So please. You are taken in by the advert.
Good evening. What happened?
Hello. When I bought this T-shirt, I see that he has a button, missing buttons, and what can I change or
can I see it?
Yes.
Oh,
For
okay.
example, didn't you have any pictures for it? So please.
I can refund you money or change your T-shirt.
Please change my T-shirt.
Okay, but you have some money problems. You can pay some money for me more.
Or it's not problem.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Station 3 task. Read please the task. Read please the task. Almas, read.
So, what should we do to not be taken by adverts? Say your advice. We can go to the shop and see it not in advert with our eyes.
Our eyes. Next. So please, Asim.
To avoid shopping problems, I shop around in different places.
Good. Next.
If I have a problem, I must ring up to my local consumer organization to help me out with my problem.
Good. Next one.
When I buy something, I never throw away the receipt.
Good. Tagada.
Before I buy clothes, I try on them.
I try on them. Taka, Araylan.
When I buy a gadget, I will through the receipt, guarantee and conditions.
Good. Then, are there any advice, Islam?
Before we buy something, first we need to take a lot of information about this product and opinions who have bought it before you.
Open your books. Open your books. We have new text. New text. There are 4 texts. The first text is for you. For you. The next. After reading the text, you must say what is the message of each advert and discuss in pairs. Finished reading of the text. So please look at it. Well, who chose the first text? Who chose the first text? Well, please come. Come.
This advert about phone Babel BX99. In this advert is about how that the phone have the edge over all other models, and it has a 300 pixel camera and good in searching the internet.
The Babel BX99 has a stylish and a compact shape, and don't worry, it's a big of clip.
Good. What kind of idioms did you find?
Each over all other models, it means to be better than other models.
Please show from the board. What is it? Which?
It's have the edge over all something.
What does it mean?
It means this means be better than other something.
To be better than other. And are there any idioms?
And idioms
in this text.
The piece of key to use. It's about.
Was it in this text? Yes. A piece of key. What does it mean?
Extremely easy.
Extremely easy. Good. Sit down, please. Good. Very nice. The next text.
Special offer, only 35 euro to 237 milliliter bottle.
Ice Fresh keeps in cool. And today we're going to show you our new product. It's Aftershave Ice Fresh.
This is yes. Good.
And it's cool and it has distinctive masculine.
This Ice Fresh is both sensual and refreshing. Natural ingredients leave your skin school and bring this way to all day.
Oh, good. You need some idioms? Any idioms there?
No.
No idioms. Yes. Good. Very nice. No idioms.
Come away with me. This advert is about CD of Nora Jones. Nora Jones CD is something special. Her voice is as smooth as honey and 3 of songs she is written by Nora Jones.
This CD contains of excellent blues and jazz, country and drums and piano music.
And some people say that Nora Jones is a breath of fresh air.
But is it an idiom?
Yes.
Yes. Well, please show please from
A breath of fresh air.
with your hands, please. A breeze. Well, look at the word. A breeze.
A breath of fresh air.
What does it mean?
It means that very amazing people. And
As smooth as honey. It's pleasant to listen. Easy to listen.
her voice.
So voice is as smooth as fine. Good, very nice. Thank you. So please look. Repeat. Have the edge over. Repeat.
Have the edge over.
Capture the moment.
Capture the moment.
A piece of cake.
A piece of cake.
Not to be sniffed at.
Not to be sniffed at.
As smooth as honey.
As smooth as honey.
A breath of fresh air.
A breath of fresh air.
Out of this world.
Out of this world.
Give you a warm welcome.
Give you a warm welcome.
Sit back.
Sit back.
So please give the definitions. So please find from these idioms. I will say you that relax. Relax. Sit back. Good. Sit down, please. Better. It is better. Like after that. How's the edge over? Good. So please to take photos.
Capture the moment.
Capture the moment. Good. So please the last. It is very easy, extremely easy. And a piece of cake. A piece of cake. Good. These are idioms to use in advertisement. So please, and we'll go our practical work. So please, I want to divide you into two groups. Come here, please. All of you, come here. Come here. Pull one card, and the first group, since here it is negative or positive. Positive. The second group negative. The message of your advert will be mobile phone, and I'll give your company the name of Leonardo da Vinci. So please, you must connect this name with your company's product. So please, your product will be headphones, and I'll give your company the name of Thomas Edison. Connect the name of this person with your company. So please, it's good. and I will like you also. Did you find anything about headphones? I like it. Do you need any paper? No? No? Get instruction to them.
We will talk about Thomas Edison Company, and I will talk about why we make our
Discuss, please discuss, get ready. Well, please, it's time, it's time. Ready? What is it? Just, did you give information to those? Did you share your roles in the group? Share. Did you share your roles? Who is? Who will advertise? Who will speak? Ready? That this group is ready. This group and group is ready. Will please discuss what group?
eardrum, eardrum.
Why don't you look at the advertisement paper? Is the advertisement paper ready?
Yes, teacher, we are ready.
Ready?
Yes.
Our company is Thomas Edison Company. This is Thomas Edison, the world's greatest inventor. Our company named Thomas Edison because of this inventor, very famous physics. Our headphones engineer is Irnat Islam.
Hello, today I want to show you our new headphones. It's called T headphones, and these headphones are without cables, and it's easy to it's piece of cake to use, and you can change the position of the headphones under your head.
And the next is our designer company of our designer Nazım.
They are green and gray, and good. The headphone is very reliable and convenient, and we use this headphone for relaxing and walking too.
The next, our manager, our special musician, and specialist musician is Anna.
With the headphone, listen to music and watch news. And in the public, please cannot interfere with another person with a headphone. And a very useful
commercial design.
They are not harmful, yes, for our
Yes.
ears.
Yes, they're healthy.
As a biologist, you say yes.
Yes.
It's not harmful.
Yes.
Good. It is helpful. Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Next is our advertiser, Aydana.
The message of our advert TA headphones. Signals go through glass, wooden doors and the walls. These fantastic headphones from Thomas Edison have no wires or cables. You can listen to a stereo while you are walking around the house or garden. You can listen to relaxing music in the bath. With headphones, you can go up to 60 meters away from your stereo or TV. The signals also glass, wooden doors and walls. These exciting new T headphones give you freedom to move around in the top quality sound. The T headphones is stylish, unique, and cool. And don't worry, it's a piece of cake to use. And excellent value at 10,000 tenge.
This company, Thomas Edison's company, has a biologist, advertiser, manager, engineer, designer, and musician. Good, very nice. Thank you for you. Thank you for you. Good. The next group, are you ready? This group, what is come?
Hello everybody, I'm a creator of company Leonardo da Vinci. You ask why the name of company is Leonardo da Vinci. We know Leonardo da Vinci was a man with many talents, and in this company work a biologist, engineer, informatics, mathematics, designer, and a programmist. This company is created the new iPhone, and the listener advice of this man.
As a biologist, I can say this telephone, this phone will not spoil for health. And because we use new biomaterials, plus we cover and keep phones to the present.
As a designer, I can say that our phone is made by aluminum, and it is covered by a thin layer of gold. Our phone has three different colors: black, silver, and gold. It has a multi-touch screen and some buttons like block button, home button, and volume buttons.
And as programmist, I can say that this phone has a lot of programs that make your life easier. You can listen to music and surf the internet, and you can play the games and download it. And you can take photos with a 20-pixel camera.
I can say that this phone is resistant to shocks. This phone waterproof and rear camera 20 megapixels and lobby camera 50 megapixels.
As a mathematician, I can say this phone is cheaper than other phones. It's only $300, and for each camera and the memory is very good value.
Is it all?
It's all.
Very nice. Very nice. Did you understand that they connected their name, the name of company, with their products? Yes. Why did you call the company? Did I give the name of Leonardo da Vinci?
I think because Leonardo da Vinci was a man with many talents, and in this company work human with many talents.
With many talents. Good. Good, very nice. Clap your hands. Thank you. Thank you, very nice. So please, we must relax a little. Yes? So please say each group will wish some good wishes to each other for doing the next task. So please, what do you wish for them? So please.
A good job.
A good job for you. A good job for you. Next.
Healthy life.
Healthy life. Next. Say them to them. Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Companies, wave your hands. Wave your hands.
Good marks.
Be better.
Be better. Next.
Yeah,
So please,
I
you
want to their product will be successful.
will be successful. Good, very nice. A successful product. Good.
I want to wish this company to do a very good advert to their phone.
To their phone. Good. It was our break time. I'll give you task from PISA. Do you know PISA?
Yes.
It is an international. Yes. So it's for you. This task.
To not adapt that into an exciting instead of 40 points.
What is asked? What is asked?
If that if your standard usage with each occurrence.
Which car? Chris has just received her car driving license and wants to buy her first car. This table below shows the details of 4 cars she finds at a local car dealer. Question: which car? Chris wants a car that meets all of these conditions. The distance traveled is not higher than 120,000 kilometers. It was made in the year 2000 or a later year. The advertised price is not higher than 4,050 Z. Which car meets Chris' condition? A. Alpha, B. Bolt, C. Castle, D. Diesel.
Who will say?
Yes.
Yes. Well, it's time. The time is over. Well, stop. Which is the correct variant? B. What is the car?
B. Bolt.
And you?
We think that Chris wants a Bolt model car because of there are all of the conditions that he wants, and there are year 2000 year and advertised price 450 or 45, and all of these conditions are for the Chris wishes.
I agree with this group because all conditions are this car has all conditions that wants Chris.
Describe the car bottle.
Car bottle is made in the 2000 year, and
what condition does it suit?
It's
because Chris wants to buy
a car
that
was made in the 2000 year.
The next
is advertised price is 4,350.
And Chris wants?
Chris wants the advertised price is not higher than 4,050 Z.
The next condition?
Distance traveled 150,000 kilometers. The distance traveled is not higher than 120,000 kilometers.
Is it all?
Yes.
Good, very nice. Clap your hands. So please swap with your adverbs. So please your task.
That there is a lot of conditions that has a lot of words.
Why do you like it? Do you like it or don't you like it? So please describe what is the adverb, the next you like it, and expressions is a function like give your opinions. It's boring. Two stars mean positive. Your positive opinion, yes, positive. And one heart, it is from your heart. What is negative
This advert of the new iPhone 5s. I think this interesting and colorful advertising.
This advert is attractive and amusing. This is successful.
But everything has this bad side. It will be said
bad sides, yes? Like Almas will say.
This is a very good advert, and the phone is not bad, but it has only 3 colors. It will be better if it have 5, 6 or more colors. And there is 3G internet. It will be better if there is 4G or LTE internet.
Good, very nice. Clap your hands. Very nice.
It's interesting, colorful and interesting.
This is very colorful, very interesting and colorful.
Will this help? Come and help with this. Comfort, modern. The advert. They call the advert. The advert. Brilliant. Is it brilliant?
Practical.
Good. So?
I have this month of this work is very long and don't is interesting.
It's interesting.
Yes,
Interesting.
because it's very long. I don't want to listen to this work because isn't interesting. Don't think I don't like this work. This work is very interesting, but have one minus.
Next.
Alisa, have you ever taken the advert with you?
If you wanted to.
And teacher, I don't think that little adverts people will see small adverts. And if
we'll watch small adverts.
And
it is attractive or not attractive?
It's attractive.
It is attractive, but
it's because of colorful. But it's very small. And if advert is very big, people will watch it.
It will be better if it was bigger. Good, very nice. Take your time. Take your seats, please. Take your seats. So please, at the end of our lesson, so please, I can evaluate. I'll give you the task to evaluate your work. Descriptors. If you have finished, look at me. Look at me, Islam and Almas. We are finishing our lesson. Well, please, advertising is the greatest art form of the 20th century. This quotation was pronounced by the Marshall McLuhan, Canadian writer. Why? Why? Please give reasons. Give reasons. Why?
Because people like it.
Because people like it. Next.
Because advertising is not easy to do. And people who do good advertising is art.
Your home task is to prepare a class presentation about the adverts in the book. Well, the lesson is over. Stand up, please.